Good afternoon, Odooers, and thank you for joining us for this call today. We hope you're all enjoying Odoo Experience 21 and the release of new Odoo as much as we do. My name is Tony Farhat, and I'm the Regional Manager for Ever Business Solution. Today, we are having this call to introduce one of the latest R&D development from our R&D team, which is the WhatsApp integration. As you know, Ever Business Solution won the award of Best Partner MENA for 2020, and we are nominated for Best Partner MENA 2021. Winning this award actually just gave us another push to achieve more and to bring more satisfaction for our customers. And the day we won this award, we started looking for what added value actually we can bring on top of Odoo. We ended up by creating a bidirectional WhatsApp integration. Yes, it is bidirectional, so Odoo now will be able to capture all your WhatsApp messages received on your WhatsApp business account and respond automatically or manually through Odoo. So yes, with all the applications that we have now across Odoo ERP, now we have another application that will bring even more value and will take your business to another level. As you all know now with the pandemic, the demand of e-commerce has remarkably increased, and to satisfy this demand, yes, the e-commerce applications fulfill the need on Odoo, but yes, we need to increase the engagement and the availability of the communication between the customer and your business or your company. So we found that a WhatsApp integration will even make it easier. So this WhatsApp integration bidirectional will allow you to communicate with your customers across all the channels you have on Odoo and across all the applications that you have. And as well, you will be able to receive messages from your customers and take the action needed accordingly. This product is based on Odoo Discuss. So the way Odoo Discuss and the live chat works through the web channel, now we are adding this functionality through WhatsApp in order to consolidate and to maintain the user-friendly interface that we are used to on Odoo ERP. First of all, you have the integration with the contact. So every single message received from the external network, it will be created as a contact in your database, and then it will allow you to communicate with them accordingly. And for sure, we have the sales application. So from Discuss application now, for any single communication received, you can build automatically your WhatsApp, your sales quotation, and send it immediately to your contact through WhatsApp. As for the purchase, you can now send RFQs to all your vendors by WhatsApp. You can auto-confirm POs and send the purchase orders. You can ask them for e-signature through the WhatsApp as well and get the confirmation. And you can always send them reminders for payable receivable, for payable outstanding payables, and you can also send them reminders for delayed receipts. As for the help desk, for sure, having all the WhatsApp integration across all the applications without the help desk will not make it a complete mission. So we found it will be very helpful to integrate it, and we integrated WhatsApp with help desk. So now anyone who's having inquiry, a help desk ticket can be automatically created or manually, and then the status can be updated through WhatsApp for the customers. They can have also a public link to review the status and to confirm that their ticket or inquiry has been fully resolved. Having all the integration across all this application will be for sure useless without sending reporting. So now we are integrating the WhatsApp product with the report and the dashboard applications in Odoo in a way that any single report can be sent across WhatsApp. Age payable, age receivable, and for internal use, payroll, total balance of leaves. So yes, it is a full-fledged WhatsApp integration, compromising all the application of Odoo in order to make sure that the communication is smooth and everything is accessible on WhatsApp. Now, after this quick introduction, we will do a quick live demo. So we will take you through a live demo on our product, and we will be surely happy to hear any question at the end in case you have any clarification needed. So as you can see on the right side now, we have our WhatsApp, web WhatsApp interface, and on the left side, we have split screen having Odoo interface. So now we have a customer sending a WhatsApp message. As you can see, the message has been received automatically on Odoo, and the discuss or the chatter that you have in the bottom right is now accessible through WhatsApp product. This is where you open your WhatsApp product. And as you can see, it is the discuss that we are all used to. On the right side, we have access to all the applications that we are integrating with WhatsApp. So yes, we have message template like you have email template. We're trying not to change the interface of Odoo. So we are using the same native functionality, but now on WhatsApp. As you can see now, we have message template. You can predefine all your templates and you can send them immediately. So now we are sending the greeting template. We get the message, yes, I'm looking for a conference chair. Now we have access to the product. So for sure, you have price list, you have products, access on the chat itself. This is where we will tell him for sure we will send it to you. Now we have the product. You can search for any product and in one click, send it immediately to the WhatsApp chat. You can select which fields you can send them actually in the WhatsApp. So now we are selecting the unit of measure, the price, and the picture of the product. For sure, you can send anytime the stock availability and the forecasted quantity. Now we are receiving this message to send a quotation for 10 pieces. So we got the message. And this is where I would like to show you outside the discuss now, also the WhatsApp product is accessible. So from any application now, you can prepare your quotation or from inside the discuss template. So now we are preparing a quotation. We are adding the product as per the demand of the customer. So we will go for conference chair, quantity 10. We will save it. And as you can see, we have a button to send quotation by WhatsApp. And for this communication, we support the reply. So if anyone replying on a specific message, then it will be captured as reply. And here, a very important note that we have the template, as you can see. So the same way, like we have the email template, we have composing WhatsApp template. You can predefine templates. And as you can see on the right side, we have received the template with the quotation, and the customer can download it in a second, and he can confirm it accordingly. Now the e-sign is not ready for this demo, but for sure it will be added just after the release of Odoo 15. As you can see, this is the quotation received through WhatsApp, and all the audit trail is being captured on the discuss channel that we have. So as you can see in Odoo, we have full visibility and trail of the communication happening between the customer and between the user. Now, for example, either he will pay online or we will ask him just to send us, like, for example, your address, your working hours. So we will go back to discuss. You will receive the messages from your customer. Imagine you have 10, 15 conversations running in parallel. So you have full visibility on the left side of all the channels and all the pending messages that you have. So we will send him our location. Again, also the location being sent as a button. As you can see in the WhatsApp screen now, we will send the location. So it is a Google Map button. And on the right side, you can see that the location has been sent immediately where he can access it. We can send also the working hours, or any external link can be predefined in this template. You can see that the communication is instant, just takes like up to 1 or 1.5 seconds for the encryption of the messages by the official partners. So just our customer confirming now that he will pass by. And then just for the sake of the demo, we will move faster on that and we'll tell him we have already made the payment. Although he can, if the e-sign is available, he can make the payment online. We will receive the invoice to our on our Odoo instance, and we can confirm the order. But we'll just go through another scenario just to show you the sales order layout, how it will be looking like. Now we were asking him just to send a sales order again, or confirming the previous one. It is the same. As you can see on the top, we have clients, products, contacts, message templates, invoices, help desk. So these are all the applications integrated under this channel. So we have full visibility of all the details that are being sent with this customer, and we can have full visibility on the sales order, on the help desk, on all the communication that happened, which will give us a better traceability and visibility. Now we're doing another order and sending it for him again. And for sure, the customer at this stage can ask to receive them by email or by WhatsApp. So he has both options. For this product, while we are preparing the quotation now, it uses the official partner of WhatsApp. So we have multiple partners that we have agreement with. And for you to have this product up and running, you all need the product that has been prepared by Ever Business Solution. And you will have a monthly subscription of from an official partner just based on the number of messages that will be communicated in your business. For sure, this product can be integrated and can be replaced and can replace the live chat, or they can be running both together, depending on the channels that you have for your business. But you will be able to add additional functionalities to it. This is the quotation again. We are confirming the sales order. Now, in the next couple of minutes, we will see that the customer who purchased these 10 chairs, he will have an issue with one of the conference chairs that he purchased. So we will be able to manage his inquiry through the integration with the help desk system. Okay, so this is the sales order integration. Now we will, from the WhatsApp, we will share a concern about having any issue. Again, we're opening the conversation. By the way, the conversation lasts up to 24 hours to capture a reply on specific message. After 24 hours, any message received will be considered as a new message for this customer. And this is a functionality by WhatsApp. So here we have the customer sending a bill, okay, based on the order that has been received, because he paid for it. As you can see now, the bill sent by the customer, it will be able to be received. It will be received actually on Odoo as well, using the files, and it will be downloaded as well. So the customer can send any document, a picture, anything, and it will be received on Odoo through the integration between Discuss and the document management system that you have on Odoo. Now in Odoo V15, we are provisioning of integrating this functionality with the audio calls and video calls. So we will be able also to send recordings or to call the customer directly through our WhatsApp integration product that you can see in front of you now. Okay, so now we have a ticket, for example. We will just see how we can create a ticket. So now we will go to the help desk. We will create a ticket. For sure, you can set all your canned responses, like you can predefine actually responses based on the input of the customer. So if the customer sent issue, to create automatically a ticket and have your agent later on sending him the details. But for now, we have an issue with conference chair, for example. The customer or the help desk agent is putting all the details. Usually we are used to send it by email, but having this functionality on WhatsApp, it's very important to send it as well on WhatsApp. As you can see now, the communication is being sent through WhatsApp. So this is your new ticket, and the access with the URL for the ticket, so he can follow up accordingly to his portal account. Changing the status as well, you can trigger not only automated emails, but now you can trigger WhatsApp messages based on predefined WhatsApp templates. So as you can see, he's getting all the update on his ticket based on the status that you have, and it has been solved. Now, as we always, we have to check the satisfaction rate of the customer. So we can build a satisfaction survey and we can send it to the customer as well. All this also available through the integration using the WhatsApp product. So now the ticket has been solved, as you can see. Maybe he will ask for any agent or customer support agent. Then he can also go to contacts and have the access from the contact with mobile number and email address, so he can access him directly in case his inquiry was not fulfilled using the WhatsApp. So now we're asking him if anything if we can assist him with any further inquiries. He's confirming that the issue is solved. And then for sure, you can have a predefined message template, as you were saying, like feedback survey, greetings, or anything else. Now, the customer is asking for a sales agent, for example. If you can send me a sales agent number, we would like to talk with him. So we will receive the messages, and for sure, we will have access to our sales agent from the employee or from the contact, actually, with their details. So we will see that now the message will be received on the WhatsApp product, on the chat itself, and we will go for message templates. For sure. Let's go for contacts. We will send him one of the sales agents that we have. Contact details now we are sending to him. Sales agent with the mobile number. For sure, you can send any details. Like now, if you have resellers, you have customers, you want to add any other details, you can send all these customer or contact details through WhatsApp. This is just a small pilot of our product so far. Now, since we already finished the discussion, we can send him a closing chat template. We have addressed your concern. Feel free to contact us. And then for sure, we can send him a feedback survey. So now, as you can see, please rate our service, and it is integrated with the survey of Odoo. So he will open it, he will submit his survey based on the feedback and his experience with Ever Business Solution or with the company, and then he will submit it. For sure, the survey will be attached to the contact itself, so we can assess later on how's the relation and what are the issues that we faced with our contacts. Now we'll just submit it, and that's it. So basically, this is our product in a glance. Just to go quickly through what's coming next with this product. So now, as you know already, we are not limiting our product to specific version. This product is available already on V12, 13, 14, and it will surely be released as soon as possible on V15. Having the chance that Odoo 15 will be releasing some audio and video calls functionality, we will surely take advantage of that and embed it in our product. The next version of this product will have a chatbot, canned responses, WhatsApp audio call, audio recordings, as we mentioned in the session. We will be integrating the WhatsApp with the subscription management, so he can get an update. Imagine a gym or any other services that they provide monthly subscription. They will be sending automatically messages instead of emails to WhatsApp to remind them of any renewal due. Statement of accounts, we will integrate with the payroll, so they can get all their payslips on WhatsApp if they opt in to receive these messages. And we will have integration with time off and attendance, and this is my favorite. So they will be able to submit time off through WhatsApp. So employees will be able to request for a time off request, and they will mention the date, start date, end date, or they can confirm attendance, and for sure we will include the geofencing violation functionality to make sure that they are attending from the allowed addresses. So this was just a small pilot of the roadmap of this amazing product, and for sure we will have additional functionalities getting on the table very soon. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to reach me on my personal email and on my mobile number. And I hope you guys enjoyed this session, and we will be glad to answer your question. Feel free to ask any questions that you have. Thank you so much.
Hello, I think we're live. Thank you so much, Tony. We have Tony here for a couple of questions. Thank you for the great presentation. So the main two things, and I think a lot of people want to know about this, it is one of the key features. I see that the price structure. So, and we talked a little bit about this. Can you tell us about a bit more?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for attending this call as well. So mainly concerning the price structure, as mentioned in the demo, we use a official WhatsApp partner. So the price structure is divided into two parts. The first part will be the implementation fees as a product for Ever Business Solution. And then we will have a subscription fees that depends on the number and the volume of transaction being transferred between the company and the end users. So we have a subscription based with the official partner directly. They can subscribe to it. And we have the one-time fees. Perfect. And for sure, all the upgrade of this product for other versions will be free of charge.
Okay, amazing. So a lot of people may be coming from B13, B14, and they want to know about the migration. It's all taken care of, right?
Exactly, for sure. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I see a lot of people, saying hi from all over the world, Nigeria, El Salvador. And I do have another question here. So I don't know if you understand the concept a little bit or the context, but Mark says, "Do you stay in the Odoo admin and chat from there?" Um,
Yeah, so basically, if I've seen Mark's input, so mainly, as we said in the beginning, it's based on the discuss application.
okay.
So any user, if we look at it from Odoo perspective, any user that have access to discuss with specific access rights, yeah, he can discuss from his Odoo, whether admin or super user or any user that has the needed privilege, he can discuss from Odoo itself using the discuss application, and all
Okay.
the chats and the responses will be received accordingly. I don't know, but anyway, if Mark has any further inquiry, we can discuss it separately.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much. I see Bert here with another question. He says, "Will the chat be saved at the customer chart as well, so we have a communication history with the customer?"
Yeah, for sure. So basically, again, back to discuss, we are using this amazing functionality by Odoo, and we are using at the beginning of the conversation the Raz.partner, which is the contact application in Odoo. So any chat will not happen without having a contact in the backend, whether a new contact for new chats or existing contact based on the number validation. However, all the discussions that happens after that, they will be saved on the communication and on the chatter under that contact. So we will have new screen called conversation history that will maintain all the history of the conversation happening between the customer and the company, and they will be all saved under the contact himself.
Amazing. So if it's taking a nature, I mean, just a basic functionality of Odoo and just making it a little bit more functional, right?
Exactly. And this is what we do actually. We don't like override. This is extension on the existing great functionality by Odoo that will bring additional communication channel. Today in V15 we have seen the audio and video capability, right? And this
Exactly.
is another channel for communicating. And I believe they will bring added value together in order to maintain the communication between the end user and the company.
Excellent. Bird says very good, and thank you. So we have another question right here from Herman. He says, "Do we need Odoo SH to install this integration?"
You don't actually need Odoo SH,
Okay.
but it will work on Odoo SH. So as we know, some of the integration, they are either compatible or not based on the hosting that we have and based on the environment. This application is compatible on-premise, on Odoo SH, and on third-party clouds like Amazon and Google. So all the libraries needed to run it on the environment, they are already maintained from the official partner side.
Amazing. Perfect. So it can be on Odoo SH and and many other options. Perfect.
But
So
for sure, we recommend Odoo SH for the availability. We just heard yesterday about the availability of WhatsApp itself. So when it comes to availability, we highly recommend Odoo SH for sure,
exactly, perfect. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about what happened yesterday. So WhatsApp was down, so a lot of people panicked.
including me. Yeah.
Do you know
So
any?
this is a valid use case, especially when we are talking about uh, business availability, right? This is a very important channel for the business that we are bringing on top of Odoo. However, we call it like force majeure. WhatsApp with the old channel, Facebook and Instagram, they were down. However, nothing will be lost because it's already maintained at the partner level and at the application, WhatsApp application level. Messages will be on hold. Any message that is being sent or received, it
Okay.
will be received even late on the application. However, the timeline, they may be different, but you are capturing the actual timing from the message itself. So from an Odoo perspective, it doesn't affect anything. It's on WhatsApp, not on us.
Exactly, exactly, perfect. So Alejandro says, have any plans to integrate Telegram? Maybe this is a something in the plans in the works. Maybe.
Actually, we have a lot of things in pocket. So, and now with Odoo bringing additional value and the new versions that will widen the area of improvement. Like social marketing, Instagram was not there, YouTube was not there. Today it is, and we are surely looking into integrating other communication channels in the upcoming. One or couple of years. It is within the R&D team, but I would say at least now for V15, what we will be working on is to improve the functionality of the product on WhatsApp. As we
Okay.
said, we have a lot of additional functionality that we will bring them in the roadmap of the product.
Amazing. Perfect.
Thanks,
And
anyway. We will look at it for sure.
okay, perfect. Okay, amazing. So I can see some people asking about the security and the information of their customers being very valuable. What can you say a little bit about security?
Yeah. So basically, the security is divided into two areas of application. One from Odoo side and one from the service provider, which is the official partner.
Of course.
And whenever we apply this product on Odoo, we will inherit all the security with them. So when it comes to encryption, all the messages, they are encrypted, yes. But again, if you are eligible to see the messages on your WhatsApp business account, then there's nothing against seeing them on Odoo application. So the same security concept will be applied on WhatsApp application and on Odoo. And when it comes to Odoo, the security, we all know it, it's very strong and we know how to maintain it properly. So it is not a challenge so far. And again, WhatsApp, they don't provide direct APIs. They have official partners granted the needed certificates for security. And whenever this partner will provide with the needed access, then this is something guaranteed from them.
Amazing, thank you. So you see, guys, you can feel very safe using this integration. We have to cut it right here. Tony, I know that you're going to be in another meeting, so
Yeah.
anyone in the chat that has any more questions, feel free to jump into this meeting to talk a little bit more with Tony of any specifics. And Tony, thank you so much for being here, and everyone in the chat, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.